Are you craving pizza rolls but worried about carbs? I bet you didn't know you could make them with real chicken and pork rinds. Let's reinvent your pizza night, keto style. First, let's talk ingredients. Forget processed stuff. This dough is all about real food. You'll need cooked chicken whole pork rinds, a single egg, and a block of low-moisture mozzarella. Start by blitzing those pork rinds into fine, crunchy crumbs. Then, shred your mozzarella for that perfect pizza melt. Next, everything goes into a food processor: chicken, pork rinds, the egg, and that mountain of cheese. Pulse until it becomes a smooth, sticky dough. Now, sandwich your dough between two sheets of parchment paper. Roll it out into two rectangles. This is your crust, top and bottom. For filling, less is more. Spread a little keto marinara, sprinkle on extra mozzarella, and pile on chopped pepperoni. But keep it light for easy rolling. With the help of your parchment, roll up the second dough and unroll it on top of the filled one, like making raviolis. Pause, seal the edges, and cut into ravioli like squares. Arrange them on a lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes until golden and bubbling. Sprinkle with grated parmesan. They will resemble toasted raviolis from your childhood. Let them cool for a minute, if you can wait. Get ready to bite into the ultimate Ketovore pizza roll. You'll never settle for store-bought again.